acquaintance we forgot, and old lang syne.
Hi everybody and welcome back. Hope you're ready for your holiday parties, and if you're not, I'm going to help you today because we're going to make 3 signature cocktails. Whether you're having a boozy brunch or cocktails at midnight, I think we have it covered with just these 3 simple cocktails that my guests seem to enjoy, and I know yours will too. I start by cutting little wedges of orange, and I'm making a garnish for this first cocktail. Just a simple slice of orange and then a maraschino cherry. And if you have a little bit of mint and you want to add a little color to it, that would be cute as well. But just a simple garnish, and if I were you, I'd make a few of these ahead of time and have them ready so that it won't be a distraction for you when you're making cocktails for your guests. Our first cocktail is called Merry and Bright, and I start with a rocks glass and add 1 ounce of vodka. This just happens to be Grey Goose, but use whichever vodka you prefer. And I add orange juice, and I don't usually measure it. I put about a half a glass of orange juice, and then I add cranberry juice cocktail because the cocktail has a little more sugar in it, makes it a little sweeter. A little bit of ice, and I usually start with the vodka out of the freezer, and the juice is usually out of the refrigerator because there's nothing worse than having a warm cocktail. So you want ice and cold juices. And there's a nice chunk of ice. And then our garnish. And to make it a little more festive, let's add a cute candy cane. And there's your cocktail. This cocktail is one of the easiest you're going to make this holiday season, but it's also one of the prettiest. You start with champagne, but you can certainly use Prosecco. I'm going to add cranberry juice cocktail. No specific measurements, and then add more champagne or Prosecco. And then let's garnish this with a few floating cranberries. And serve it to your guests with a smile. I saved the best cocktail for last. It's a chocolate cherry martini. You are going to be surprised. Every time we have ever served this to guests, they have raved over it. So I thought I would share it with you for the holidays. What you use is Dutch chocolate vodka. This is Van Gogh Dutch chocolate. If you find another bottler who makes it and you prefer that, that's great. I already have my ice in the shaker, and I'm going to add 2.5 ounces of Dutch chocolate vodka. Then I'm going to add about 3 teaspoons of maraschino cherry juice. It's already smelling like dessert. Just straight from the maraschino cherries. I'm going to shake it. Get it extra cold. And I've been cooling the glass with ice. I'm going to get rid of that. We have a cold glass. Take the top off. There is your chocolate cherry martini. And to make it extra spirited, we're going to garnish with a candy cane. Happy holidays! I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. If you are not a subscriber, please tap the subscribe button and I'll notify you each time I post a new video. Happy holidays!
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance